What's up guys, happy Monday. Just wanted to share with you a really quick and easy meal prep tip. Now I think a lot of people might be kind of stressed out about trying to meal prep during this particular time in our lives, which I totally get. But this is one tip that you can implement right away, or just with a quick trip to the grocery store, you'll be able to find a few really easy ingredients to help make meal prepping easier for you and your family. So one of my favorite things to do is just pre-chop up a bunch of really easy veggies like cucumbers, carrots, green beans, broccoli. They store really well, they keep in the fridge really well, and you can have them as pots of salads, as sides to sandwiches, as snacks when you dip them in hummus. So good. And then also look for things that are already pre-packaged and washed and ready to eat, like snow peas, sugar snap peas. Sometimes you find some great deals. These are all great sides to add to meals or for snacks, and you basically don't have to do anything. So that's what I call my low or no prep sides. They are lifesavers, especially when you have little kiddos around the house, and I think that the crunch and the sweetness of these veggies actually help them to try new things. So that's always a great idea too.